everybody! I'm here today to show you how to massage your own feet. Now this is great for reflexology and pain relief. So if you have pain in your feet and you want to massage them to relieve that pain, this is the video for you. And if you want to make use of reflexology in your feet to relieve pain everywhere else in your body, this is also the video for you. Different parts of your feet are connected to different parts of your body. And in this video, as we touch on the different parts of the feet, we're actually going to access each of those parts of your body, all of the reflexology points, so that hopefully you can relieve some pain. Let's get right into the video. The first thing that you want to do is twist your foot from side to side to warm it up. Now I'm going to show you. Okay, so just pay attention right here. What you want to do is take your foot and you're going to be twisting it from side to side. So check this out. I'm going to be on an angle here. So side to side. Twisting it side to side. Start at the front. Okay. Make your way to the middle. And then try and twist the back a little bit. Side to side. We're not doing any ankle movements like that. Okay? This is just the foot. When you do this, believe it or not, that deals with the ankle itself and the calves, and we're not accessing those right now. We are dealing with the foot only. So take, 30 seconds to a minute to twist your foot side to side nicely. And every time you make your way, it should continue getting a bigger range of motion throughout the warm-up period, okay? Very simple. The next thing that you want to do is use your thumb or thumbs to apply pressure to the arc of your foot, okay? To the arch of your foot over here. Now, there are so many reflexology points right here, okay? Right in the middle of your foot right here, okay? And we're accessing all of those right now. So what you want to do is start off just by gently massaging them like that, okay? Then you want to get some pressure. So give it some pressure like that, okay? Not too long for each at first. Little bit of pressure, only as much as you're comfortable with. Don't go too much. But a little bit of pressure like that, okay? Different spots. You want to target this whole area. So take some time, use your thumb or thumbs to apply some pressure to the center point over here. Next, for the third part, we're going to deal with the toes. So what you want to do is you want to essentially bend each toe individually and then all of your toes together. So check this out. I'm going to bend each toe individually. Give it a real good stretch. Okay? Okay, you might get a few cracks in the toes like that. Just like that. Okay? All right. Once you've done each toe individually, you can do them multiple times. I don't want to waste your time making you watch me do it 5 times each or something, okay? Then you're going to take all of your toes, so get your whole hand, bend them all together. Even in your toes, there are pain relief points. So there are points that will cause pain in your toes and also points that will relieve pain in your toes and the rest of your body. So by doing this and just holding them there for 30 seconds to a minute, you're going to release those pressure points and hopefully relieve some of that pain. Okay? The fourth thing that you're going to do is you are going to use your 2 hands to basically spread the sole of your foot apart, okay? And I put quotes around spread because you're not actually going to spread it apart, but what you're doing is essentially this. You're spreading it apart. You're kind of pulling it apart. So like I said, work your way throughout the entire foot area. You want to pull it apart. Once again, this is a big part of pain relief. Because when you are walking in your shoes, you're always squishing it together. So you want to do the opposite, the contrary, and you want to pull it apart. Check that out right there. Just imaginarily pry the sole of your foot apart like that. Okay? After you've done those first 3 things and you add this 4th thing in, I'm telling you, you're going to feel a massive amount of pain relief when you do that, okay? And last but not least is the 5th part, which it deals with the heel over here. There are a ton of reflexology points here once again. You want to take your thumb or thumbs, and you want to first start off by lightly massaging the heel, okay? Just like that. Then you want to dig that thumb in there. Okay, imagine this like a steak, and you're trying to soften up the steak. You really want to dig that thumb in there. And when you think about it, when you're walking, you're constantly relying on your heels for the maximum amount of pressure. Look at where your leg connects. Does it connect over here? No, it connects over here. So the vast majority of your weight is going here before it then gets spread throughout the foot. So what you want to do is really focus on the heel. I would recommend spending 2 to 3 minutes on your heel. Okay, that's how important it is in my opinion. You can use other fingers, but your thumbs will allow you to get the most pressure. And that's basically it. That is essentially how to massage your own feet. If you want to get some pain relief or access some reflexology points to get pain relief in the rest of your body and heal the rest of your body, then this is the video for you, simply because I've shown you the 5 simple steps that I use to massage my own feet and deal with reflexology and pain relief everywhere in my body. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.